Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate PBS Kids on your Samsung Smart TV using Chromecast, follow these step-by-step instructions to start streaming educational content for children. Step 1. Ensure your Chromecast device is properly connected to your Samsung Smart TV and powered on. Step 2. Make sure your smartphone or tablet is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your Chromecast. Step 3. Download and install the PBS Kids app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store on your mobile device. Step 4. Open the PBS Kids app on your smartphone or tablet. Step 5. Browse for the content you want to watch, such as a show or video for kids. Step 6. Tap on the content to start playing it on your mobile device. Step 7. Look for the cast icon, which looks like a rectangle with Wi-Fi waves, typically located at the top of the screen. Step 8. Tap the cast icon and select your Chromecast device from the list of available devices. Step 9. The content will begin streaming from your mobile device to your Samsung Smart TV through Chromecast. Step 10. You can use your mobile device as a remote to control playback, pause, or select different content. Step 11. To stop casting, tap the cast icon again and select Disconnect. Step 12. Your kids can now enjoy PBS Kids shows on the big screen. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.